We will first create new folder by the name QR code. Then we'll open Jupyter Notebook from Start menu. Then we will go to the desktop. Here we will click on the QR code folder. In this project we are going to install Pyqrcode and Pypng library. Now let's install Pyqrcode library or module using pip command. Now we will install Pypng library using pip command. Note I have already installed it. We use Pypng to save the QR code in PNG format. Now let's just start coding. Now in the first two lines of code, we will just import the libraries we have installed. Pyqrcode module is QR code generator. The module automates the building process for creating QR codes. In this third line I will just import the all functions from Pyqrcode library. This is another way of the import. So in this line of code we will give the link for which we want to create QR code. Then we will use create function of Pyqrcode and give the variable in which we have saved the link. This will generate our QR code. Now in the further lines of code, we will generate the SVG and PNG files of QR code. PNG file will be our image file in which the QR code will be saved. Now we will just run the code by pressing Shift and Enter. Here we will type pwd command to get the location where the image file is saved. Now we just go to our phone to scan the code. So as you can see I have opened scanner application. And now I will scan the code.